Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the world of powerful gaming laptops. And not just any gaming laptop. We're talking about the new Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI edition for 2025. This is one of Acer's most ambitious gaming machines yet. It's not just a gaming beast. It's a smart, AI-powered, next-gen laptop designed to push performance, style, and thermal control to new levels. So, let's explore what makes the Helios Neo 16S AI a top choice for gamers and creators in 2025. Let's start with the design. The Helios Neo 16S looks like a modern warrior. It carries a sharp, clean, and professional style that doesn't scream flashy but still looks very bold. Acer went for a matte black body with a laser-etched cryptic code design on the lid. It's futuristic. It gives the laptop personality. It's a style that gamers will love but won't look out of place in a creative studio or even a serious office. The build feels solid. The metal chassis adds durability while keeping the weight around too. 6 kilograms. That's not ultralight, but it's reasonable for a gaming laptop packed with high-end hardware. The keyboard is full-sized with per-key RGB lighting. It feels great to type on. The key travel is satisfying. The WASD keys are highlighted, and the RGB looks stunning in a dark room. Acer has included their Predator Sense key as well, which launches the control center instantly. There's also a dedicated mode switch button for toggling between performance profiles. The touchpad is large and responsive. It supports all the gestures and feels premium, though most gamers will still plug in a mouse. Now let's talk about the display. This is one of the standout features of the Helios Neo 16S. It comes with a 16-inch WQXGA panel. That's a 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio. It's a mini LED display with up to 1000 nits of brightness. This means super clear images, vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. It supports a 240 Hz refresh rate with G-Sync. That means gameplay is incredibly smooth. No tearing, no lag. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or watching 4K content, the display is simply stunning. This screen also covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. That makes it a dream not just for gaming, but also for content creators. Photo editors, video editors, and digital artists will appreciate the color accuracy. The viewing angles are great too, and there's very little motion blur. Acer added thin bezels around the screen, making it look even more immersive. Up top, you'll find a 1080p webcam. It also supports temporal noise reduction for better low-light video. There's an IR sensor for Windows Hello login, which is fast and secure. Now let's dive into performance. This is where the Helios Neo 16S AI really shines. Inside, you get up to Intel's 14th Gen Core i9HX series processors. That's a beast of a chip. The i9-14900HX brings 24 cores and 32 threads. It handles multitasking like a champ. Paired with it is up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU. That's top-tier power for 2025. It's based on the Ada Lovelace architecture and supports DLSS 3.5, frame generation, and full ray tracing. You can also configure it with an RTX 4080 or 4070 if you want a slightly more budget-friendly model. But make no mistake, all variants are insanely powerful. The GPU in this laptop runs with a high TGP. That means better performance under load. Combine that with up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, and you've got a setup that can handle any modern game at ultra settings. It's not just for gaming either. Heavy workloads like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and AI model training run smoothly. Storage is handled by superfast PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSDs. You can go up to 2 TB or more, with dual SSD slots if you want to expand. What really makes this laptop different in 2025 is its AI integration. Acer has built AI features right into the Predator Sense app. You get performance optimization powered by machine learning. The laptop learns your usage patterns and adjusts fan curves, power delivery, and lighting settings accordingly. It means better thermals, longer battery life, and even faster response when you need it most. There's also an AI noise reduction feature that works during meetings and multiplayer chats. It cancels out background sounds and keeps your voice clear. And speaking of thermals, Acer has taken cooling to the next level. The Helios Neo 16SA uses a dual-fan setup with 5th Gen Aeroblade 3D metal fans. These are thinner but stronger. There are also vector heat pipes and liquid metal thermal paste on the CPU. This combo keeps temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions. It's quieter too. When you're browsing or watching videos, the fans stay quiet or turn off completely. Under heavy load, they ramp up, but the noise is never unbearable. In our real-world tests, the laptop maintained great thermal performance. CPU and GPU temps stayed within safe limits. There was minimal thermal throttling even in stress tests. And the chassis never got too hot to touch. Acer has clearly done a good job with airflow and heat management. The AI cooling tweaks also help distribute heat better, depending on what you're doing, and gaming performance is outstanding. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Call of Duty Warzone ran at ultra settings with frame rates well above 100 FPS. DLSS 3.5 with frame generation boosted performance even more. Ray tracing effects looked smooth and detailed. With the 240Hz display, fast-paced games felt super responsive. Esports titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, and CS2 ran at high frame rates with near-zero input lag. The combination of a top-tier CPU and GPU gives you desktop-level performance in a portable form. Battery life is surprisingly decent for a gaming laptop. You get a 90 Wh battery that can give you around 5 to 7 hours of regular use. That includes web browsing, video playback, and light work. Under gaming load, battery life drops fast, around 1.5 to 2 hours, which is expected. But with AI power management and efficient components, it's better than many older gaming laptops. Acer also includes a fast 330W GaN power adapter that's smaller and lighter than traditional bricks. It charges the laptop quickly, about 50% in 30 minutes. Connectivity is also future-ready. You get 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a microSD card reader, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and even a mini DisplayPort. There's also a full-size RJ45 Ethernet port for wired gaming. The Wi-Fi 7 support means blazing fast wireless speeds and lower latency. You also get Bluetooth 5.4 for faster pairing and better power efficiency. Whether you're gaming online, streaming, or moving files, connectivity is fast and reliable. Audio quality is another strong point. The laptop features DTS. My lips are sealed. Ultra support and dual stereo speakers. The sound is loud, clear, and surprisingly deep. It's not a substitute for gaming headsets, but for casual use, it's more than enough. There's also AI tuning in the sound system. It adjusts the audio profile based on what you're doing, whether you're gaming, watching a movie, or attending a meeting. Software-wise, the Predator Sense app is where you control most of the features. You can adjust performance modes, check temps, control lighting, customize the keyboard, and toggle the AI features. It's user-friendly and now smarter than before. The app learns how you use the laptop and gives suggestions to improve performance or battery life. There's also Acer Purified View and Purified Voice for better webcam and mic quality during meetings. Now, let's talk about price and availability. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16SA starts at a competitive price, considering the hardware. The base models with RTX 4070 and Core i7 start around $1,699. The high-end models with RTX 4090 and Core i9 go beyond $2,700. Considering the AI features, the premium display, and the performance, the price is justified. It sits below the Predator Helios 18 but delivers almost the same punch in a more compact body. One important thing to note, upgradeability is still good. You can open up the back and access the RAM and SSD slots easily. So, if you start with 16 GB of RAM or 1 TB storage, you can upgrade later. This gives the laptop a longer lifespan. If you're wondering who this laptop is for, it's simple. This is a great pick for gamers who want top-end specs and AI features in a more compact 16-inch form. It's also perfect for creators who want color-accurate screens, strong rendering power, and reliable thermals. Students and professionals who love gaming on the side will also find it versatile. It's strong enough to replace a desktop. And smart enough to adapt to your daily workflow. Acer is clearly betting big on AI in 2025, and the Helios Neo 16S shows how AI can enhance a laptop experience without being gimmicky. The AI cooling, performance tuning, and noise reduction all add real value. You don't have to think about managing fan speeds or hunting for settings. The laptop learns and adapts. It's the kind of smart upgrade that makes high-end laptops feel even more premium. To sum it all up, the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI is one of the best gaming laptops of 2025. It has a sharp design, a stunning mini LED display, incredible CPU and GPU power, smart AI features, great thermals, and solid battery life. It's built for gamers and creators who don't want to compromise. It's not cheap, but it delivers great value for the price. Acer has taken the gaming experience and made it smarter, cooler, and faster. And that's what makes the Helios Neo 16S stand out in a crowded market. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. We'll be back with more deep dives, reviews, and tech insights. See you in the next one.